So I don't know about you, but I hate doing electrical work. And in particular, I hate dealing with wire nuts. I'm not good at twisting them up, I'm not good at untwisting them, it usually ends just in a mess. But luckily there is an alternative that makes it so much easier. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the two different alternatives that I always use. And this first one is my favorite. These are called lever wire nuts. They're so easy to use. I bought this pack off of Amazon. And this pack comes with 2-wire, 3-wire, and 5-wire connectors. And so here I'm going to show you how to use the simple lever connector. So this one is a 2-wire connector, and the first thing you want to do is open one of the levers. So now I'm ready to strip my wire, and on the back of this little connector it has a little depth gauge that shows you exactly how much sheathing you need to strip off. So I went ahead and stripped a little extra sheathing off. That way I have plenty of wire to work with. I can measure it on the back with the depth gauge and then just snip off what I need to get the perfect size. So now that I have the wire stripped, I'm going to insert it into the open slot. And once I feel like it's inserted all the way, I'm going to push the lever down and this will lock the wire into position. And this is really secure. That's why I love these things. Using these, I've never felt the need for, to wrap it up in black electrical tape. I've always felt like they were going to hold. And now to remove the wire, all you do is flip up the lever and pull the wire out. And that's it. And these things are reusable. And you'll be able to see me use these in my other electrical videos. The other type of connectors that I use are the Ensure push-in wire connectors. I really stopped using these once I bought a pack of the lever wire connectors. And they generally work in the same way. They come in, 2-wire, 3-wire, 5-wire connectors. And so to use these push-in connectors, you'll want to strip about 1/2 inch of the sheathing off, and then you'll be able to push them in. What you do is you just line it up. You want to make sure your wire's straight. Push it all the way in until you see the copper wire at the very end of the connector. And it's clear so you can see that it's seated properly. So these are reusable, so to remove the wire, you just twist the connector back and forth by pulling the wire out. This can be difficult if you have, the 3 wires connected to be able to get the motion right. But these are okay, and they get the job done, and they're better than wire nuts. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.